Who wants to add some fractions today? When adding fractions, you need to remember denominator, numerator, simplify. So we start with the denominator. Looking at our denominator, we have 5 and 3. If you don't know what denominator is, it's ooh la la, fancy word for the bottom number. Okay, so the denominators are 5 and 3. They're not the same. We need to make them the same in order to add the fractions. So in order to make them the same, we have to list the multiples. So we have to find the LCM, the least common multiple. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, right? 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4. Do the same thing over here. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. There I have it. My least common multiple is 15. Now that I have the same denominator, I have to work on the numerators. Whatever I did to my denominator to get 15, I have to do to my numerator. So 5 times 3 equals 15. So I have to multiply the top by 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then I come over here. What did I do to the 3 to get to 15? I multiplied it by 5. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 2 times 5 is 10. Now I'm ready to add it together and see if I need to simplify. So 6 plus 10 is 16 fifteenths. That, my friends, is called an improper fraction because the bigger number is on the top instead of on the bottom. So what we have to do is we have to make it into a mixed number, which is a whole number and a fraction. So in 16, we have 15 fifteenths we can take out of it. That is one whole. 15 out of 15 parts is the whole thing. When I take that out, I'm left with 1/15 left. So my answer is 1 and 1/15. That is how you add fractions. Denominator, find the least common multiple. To get to the numerator, whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. Add it together and then simplify. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.